Well, passengers weigh in on what Carnival Serenity retreat is pretty like. Want to know about it? Stay tuned. Be right back. Well, welcome to Cruise Chatter. And Carnival brand ambassador John Hill is typically the expert on all things related to the cruise line and his 27 ships. Ouch. He puts his vast knowledge to good use by answering questions day in and day out on his popular Facebook page. However, Healed currently has an opportunity to do some in-person reconnaissance on behalf of his many followers, as he is currently on board Carnival Medicare for a 6-day Eastern Caribbean sailing. The cruise is a round trip out of Port Canaveral, Florida, and features calls at the Nassau, Bahamas, Puerto Plata, Amber Cove, Dominican Republic, and Grand Turk Island, Turks and Caicos. While he's on board, his Facebook followers have been asking what the experience is really like on board, particularly at the XL class vessel Serenity Retreat, which is located on deck 18. This adult space is available fleet-wide and is meant to be a peaceful place for guests over 21 to take a dip in the pool, soak in the sun, or sip on a drink at the nearby bar. I have recently been on the Carnival Glory, and I did not see this area at all. Back in the 80s and 90s when I did Carnival, many cruises, I don't think they had a Serenity area back then. Besides, the ships were not too many decks back then available. So we'll be in the Paradise coming up next in October, so hopefully we'll get to check that place out. So we'll see, and then I'll let you know what do I feel about it and see. Hill didn't have an immediate answer for the curious guests, but promised he'd find out before his sailing disembark in Port Canaveral the following August 17, 2024. And I will let you definitely know about it too. So that's what happens. Everybody have a great day. Cruise Chatter, Eddie Lucas Studios. Talk to you soon. Bye.